Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Jain tomato soup. To begin, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, ripe tomatoes for the best flavor. Jain cooking strictly avoids root vegetables like onions and garlic, so we will use alternative aromatics. Instead, we'll create a wonderfully flavorful base with fresh ginger and green chilies. This ensures a delicious and authentic Jain soup that adheres to all dietary principles. Now, let's prepare our flavorful base. Start by dicing about 5 to 6 medium-sized, ripe tomatoes. In a pot, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh ginger and 2 green chilies, sautéing them for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add the diced tomatoes and cook them down until they become soft and pulpy, which usually takes around 10 minutes. This step builds the foundational taste for our soup. Once your tomato mixture has cooled slightly, it's time to blend it. Transfer the cooked tomatoes, ginger, and chilies to a blender and process until perfectly smooth. For an extra silky texture, strain the blended soup through a fine mesh sieve, discarding any solids. Return the smooth liquid to the pot, add about 2 cups of water, and simmer gently with your preferred spices for approximately 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish our delicious Jain tomato soup, season it to taste. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Stir well and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Before serving, garnish each bowl with a generous sprinkle of fresh, finely chopped cilantro leaves. This warm and comforting soup is now ready to be enjoyed immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.